Hi clowns, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Alina. I know this is not the best first impression, but you'll get used to me. And if you've watched me before, thanks for having faith in me and viewing my video again. But my point is, I'm sick, and you probably know it because I've been announcing it everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving the attention. Like, the attention I get when I'm sick, I'm loving it. I don't have COVID, by the way. Trust me, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really don't have COVID. I've been taking my medicines. I didn't take a bath today. I haven't washed my face in 2 days. I haven't brushed today. It's 4 p.m. I've basically not had the strength to do anything in the past 2 days. I'm wearing my dad's t-shirt. I'm smelling, my hair is greasy. I feel dead. So I decided I am not gonna be dead anymore, and I'm gonna revive myself by first taking a bath. I really don't want to, but I have to. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna try and look good. I haven't removed my makeup since like 2 days, but I'm gonna try and be productive, and let's see where this day takes me. These birds are pissing me off. Let's go take a bath. I'm relaxing. Now that I mentioned that I'm sick at least like 67 times, I'm gonna go ahead and look not so dead because I want to look good. I want to feel confident, but not even that much. So I'm gonna do something to my face. Let's go catfish the world together, besties. Okay, so this is the mandatory no makeup look, because let's be honest, मैं काफी basic हूँ, and it's not a lot of makeup. I've done like very little because I honestly did not have the energy to do a lot. And if y'all didn't notice, I changed from my dad's red t-shirt to my dad's blue t-shirt because I'm a thief. Drink your nariyal pani, kids. I also wanna why does noise pollution exist? Anyway, so I've been wanting to talk about this. So in my recent Instagram post, somewhere here, yeah, this picture, if you haven't gone and like it, what are you doing in life? I posted that, and I had bots in my comment section telling me about how I'm flexing my iPhone. Stop flexing your iPhone, we know you have an iPhone. And you know what, I was flexing it. I was flexing it because that's my life purpose, bro. The sole purpose of my life is to flex my phone because I'm the only person in the world who has it, period. No one is as rich as me, like even remotely. Oh, by the way, I blocked all of them because I don't know, I love blocking bots. Like the block button, I find it so hot. People might still, I'm afraid of being cancelled for going out. I don't know, guys, please don't cancel me if I do. Okay, so I'm taking the hard way, and I've decided to go out because Archit emotionally blackmailed me. I'm going because I'm planning to be cancelled. I'm not gonna lie, like I love cancelling. Mwah, chef's kiss. I love to be cancelled. See you after going to jail. Bye. Let's go get cancelled together. Yay!
Let's go get what together?
Cancelled.
Where?
Because I'm sick and I'm going out. Hi. I didn't vlog anything. I didn't vlog anything from Archit's house because I'm a piece of shit. If you're still watching this, like to whoever's here, if you've successfully not like fast forwarded my thing and you're watching this, bhai, what are you doing in life? Why are you watching this vlog? It's not even, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Why are you watching this, bro? Go do something better with your life. Actually don't. I need the views. So I'm in my older sister's room, and I am bored, so I will be reviewing things in her room. Is that a cat? Anyway, I will be reviewing things in her room. There's nothing, but I'll still review something. Guys, I have to talk about something very serious. So under the building, like, you know, this stray cat that used to just like hang out on this floor, and she still gets pregnant like every 1 or 2 months. Like every 2 months she's like getting like 6 babies out of her like little cat stomach. And we were like, bro, like what's up with this cat? Like, then this one day my sister came home traumatized, and I'm like, bro, what happened? She's like, remember how we hate that cat because she gets pregnant every 2 months? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, she doesn't get pregnant on her own. Like, obviously no one gets pregnant on their own, but like she gets pregnant forcefully. Like, she said that there was this male cat humping her, and I've been traumatized ever since. I feel so bad for her, and I don't know what to do because I can't find that male cat who does that to her. Like, if I find him, call PETA on me, but I will beat him up. Watch me. This is the laptop that has seen many traumatizing bananas and Omegle. This thing has gone through a lot. I'm sorry. You've gone through. I'm so sorry. This is my sister's fluid art painting, and she has been scamming, and everyone who does this shit, you all have been scamming people, because this is not art. You get a fluid art kit on Amazon. You just have to you just take the bottle of colors and you do this on the canvas, and you just do this, and then your fluid art is done. Guys, don't put it on the story. If you all see someone put this on their story, they are scamming you. She's been scamming her whole family by sending fluid art pics on the family group. This is the biggest scam ever. Don't freaking fall for it. Reviewing random things also includes reviewing food, and this is my favorite food. Like, if you want to gift me something for my birthday, get me 69 million watermelons, because I'll eat all of them like in one day. There are also some cake leftovers that I'm obviously gonna eat because I'm trash. Bro, sometimes I feel like I am I'm a trash can. Give me anything and I'll put it in my mouth, because like you would in a trash can. Let's taste this. I dropped the cake, but who cares? Let's continue eating this. Tastes 5 days old. No bad. Are you looking at that glow, guys? Can you see it? Can you see me glowing? Yeah, that's my sweat. Oh, by the way, did I also mention how it's 3 AM and everyone's sleeping, and that is why I'm here in this corner of the house filming, because I don't want to wake anyone up by switching any lights on. I am genuinely so sorry for uploading this. I didn't plan on posting or filming any of this today. I was dead like till like 4 PM today. I was dead. I couldn't wake up from the bed, but I just randomly decided to vlog. I don't even know if I'll post this or not, but if I am, and if you've seen the whole thing, bro, you love me to like another level. So thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. But anyway, don't like this video or don't even subscribe, because I'm a disappointment. This video was a disappointment. But if you want to, you can, like, you know where the buttons are, like, do it. I hope I don't get cancelled after this, after putting out such shit content. But anyway, thank you and love all of you.